My name is Juan Jose Garcia, and I have the pleasure to be the faculty leader of the AMP this year in Slovenia. You cannot miss to join us this year. We have an amazing program that have been working very hard in order to surprise you and make a memorable event this year. Thanks.
Hi, my name's Jane Cunningham. I'm the Director of International Associations at Best Cities Global Alliance, and I'm delighted to be attending the AMP in Slovenia in July. I really hope you can join us. It's all about small changes and big impact. We'll also be talking about how destinations can exceed expectations. See you there.
Hi, I'm Per from Stavanger, Norway. I'd like to welcome you to Slovenia for the ICCA AMP. It is the best event where an upcoming secondary destination can learn to beat the big players in this field.
Hello, my name is Christoph. Have you been to Slovenia before? I haven't, but I'm going to the AMP, and that's a great way to learn about strategic planning and thinking.
Hi, I'm Geneviève Leclerc, owner and president of Caravel Strategies. I'm also one of the co-faculty leaders for the ICCA AMP 2018 in Ljubljana. I'm really excited about our program. It's all going to be about impacts, small changes and big impacts. We're going to be doing sessions on innovation, impacts, event design, all that good stuff. We look forward to seeing you. Please come. See you there.